everybody, I'm currently here in London for less than 24 hours on a quick layover, so I couldn't resist to take the opportunity to go ahead and visit some of the most iconic landmarks, including Tower Bridge and the Big Ben, so we can take some awesome pictures. We're taking the Eurostar tomorrow on our way to Paris. We're here for less than 24 hours, and we just hope that we can take advantage of the time and make it worth it. So follow me and let's explore the city.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall, so done with second guessing, you seem to...
So this is the first landmark that we came to see. So we're here at the Big Ben. As you can see, there's a lot of people. It's super crowded today. It's crazy, but today is a Saturday, so it's to be expected, of course. After this one, we're gonna go ahead and hit the Tower Bridge, and let's hope that it's not as crowded as this landmark is today. Got to the highlight of our trip. We're so happy we made it to the Tower Bridge. In my opinion, I believe that this is one of the most iconic buildings here in London, and it's definitely my favorite. So I'm just happy that within 24 hours we were able to come and visit. So, success. So now we're gonna go ahead and have dinner. One of our options is the Shard. We've always wanted to do that, so now it's the perfect time and opportunity. It's a Saturday and they have the best views in town. Can't wait to show you guys. We're having such a great time enjoying some wonderful cocktails. Me, myself, I am having the Dempsey Street cocktail. It's made out of banana rum, banana leaves, and chocolate crumb. It is absolutely scrumptious. Right after this, we're gonna go ahead and have dinner at the Shard, at the Ting.
We had been looking for a restaurant for a while, and I visualized to have dinner at the Shard, any restaurant, whatever it was. But then I saw Ting. I called them up. I spoke with Bianca, and Bianca was very nice. She was able to reserve for us, and we just paid over online, and magic happened. We actually got the reservation for tonight. Even though we got it tonight, we're golden.
Awesome. Can't wait to have the dinner at the Shard. So with that, we'll be closing our London trip, and then up next, Paris.
Up next, Paris.
All right, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
So we are finally at the Ting in the Shard. It's such a beautiful view, the one that we were assigned to. We're waiting for our 5-course meal, and we can't wait to try this experience. It's just very, very nice. We had such a wonderful dinner. First of all, we had some mee goreng right here. In the midst of Asian fusion, we also got some Mongolian beef, which was absolutely delicious. Some mee goreng made out of noodles, just like in Bali. And then last but not least, we got some coconut prawns, which were absolutely delicious. And with that, we close our London trip. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.